Alright, slightly different change of scenery today. In the game house I'm getting set up for the kids, but just want to come over here while the youngest is over the main house playing games. So I got a couple pretty beat up rounds that I've been messing with most of the day. So I have some Aguila subs and CCI subsonic segmented hollow points. So I ended up going back to an older magazine. This is the one from the lead sled test the other day. So the follower is different and the spring arrangement is different, or the spring strength I guess is different. It's a little bit stronger than the other day, but weaker than yesterday's test. Only other change, I reprinted the magazine release. So this is actually about 1 millimeter longer. It just helps the magazine sit in there quite a bit tighter. So I wanted to grab 5 of these rounds. These were the ones that were giving us issues yesterday. So let's get this loaded up, and we'll just pull the bolt back, release it, let it go forward, full speed as if firing versus hand feeding slowly. So I think that'd be more accurate. Okay. All right, so she did not go in. Okay. All the others did. Alright, let's try the Aguilas. Aguilas are the ones that have always given me issues, so we'll see how they want to work for us. We got 5 here. They have an ever so slightly different nose profile, but you got these loaded in here and see how these do. Okay, so this is the Aguila Subsonic 38 grains. Okay, so she fed, did extract. I'm not too worried about the extraction since it does come out under firing. I do think I want to put a metal face on the front of this extractor though, just so I can use a stronger extractor spring. That, or maybe even take a file and clean up that side of the chamber just a little bit. Okay, so I think that one not feeding, it might have been the last round, so it might be a follower issue. Let's do it again. Nope, she went that time, so I don't know. We'll get out. We'll have to get back out to the range and see what's going on with this one. But I think we're going to go back to the older magazine design that I had, just with a new follower and different spring arrangement. Alright, so this isn't the ideal testing. Wanted to go out to the range or some of the public land I usually go to. However, starting to rain, or snow rather, kind of cold. So over here at my brother's. So did a couple changes. We did the magazine test. So this is the older style magazine with a new follower. Changed the spring weight in it. Also changed the spring weight in the buffer. So we'll see if this thing comes back and just smacks me in the face completely. But let me drop that safety down. Alright, and let's get her tested. Alright, so like I said, let's get this tested. This is the CCI 40 grain sub-sonic segmented hollow points. Get a little red dot on. Just firing here into the sturt pile. See what happens. Up. And a light primer. Let's try to keep that round in there so I don't lose it. Let's put that back in the magazine. Try it again. Nope, same issue we ran into yesterday. So I'm not sure if it's the combination of recoil that's making that not work. Oh, she fed. She fed. She's empty. Alright. Alright, so we should the CCI segmented hollow point 40 grains subs. Let's try a couple of the Federal 45 grain subs. These are the copper plated. It's way easier without gloves, but just a little bit chilly. Alright. Did not feed. She reset, but she didn't feed that one. Now help her in. Nope, never mind. She doesn't want to be stubborn. I'm not going to force her too much. Let's drop it and... No, she's in. Okay. Alright, so I think we mostly got the magazine issue fixed. Alright, so I was wrong. The first test I did was actually the Aguila subsonics. I thought I grabbed the CCIs, but looking at these ones, these are marked with a C, so this would indicate these are the actual 40 grain CCI subsonics. The others were the Aguila 38 grains. So the light primer strike I had on that first round, I feel better about it because Aguilas always have light primer strikes. So let's get this loaded in there. Don't give me attitude. Okay, try it again. She's all the way closed. Nope, did not feed the CCI. Alright, so CCI. I'm not sure, so looking like probably spring pressure issue, but she's working.